Welcome to today's video. Whether you're a car enthusiast, a professional detailer, or just someone who loves keeping their vehicle spotless, you know that having the right tools is crucial for achieving that perfect shine. Today, we're going to look at the top 5 car detailing brushes that are perfect for precision cleaning, helping you get into those hard to reach spots and giving your car the TLC it deserves. Let's kick things off with the YeewayVeh 3PCS car detailing brush kit. This set includes 3 high quality brushes with a mix of boar hair, PBT, and PT bristles. Each brush is designed for specific tasks, one for the grill, one for the air vents, and another for cleaning your leather seats. The ergonomic handles have a unique elbow joint, making it easier to reach into tight spaces. For just around $12.99, this set gives you precision cleaning without breaking the bank. It's perfect for those hard to reach areas inside your car. Next up is the RACOONA 6PCS car detailing brush set. This set offers a variety of brush sizes and bristle types, including both soft and stiff options, so you can tackle different surfaces with ease. Whether it's your car's interior, wheels, or vents, this brush set covers all the bases. The brushes come with comfortable handles designed for extended use, ideal for a professional detailer or someone who wants to keep their car looking showroom ready. You can grab this set on Amazon and improve your detailing game right away. For those looking for a versatile and reliable brush set, the TIROL 6PCS detailing brush set is an excellent choice. It includes brushes with both boar hair and synthetic bristles, giving you flexibility for various cleaning jobs from delicate upholstery to tougher areas like wheels and engines. These brushes are designed for both interior and exterior use, so no matter where the grime builds up, you've got the right tool for the job. At an affordable price, it's perfect for DIY detailers. Let's move on to the Simoda 6PCS car detailing brush set. This set is comprehensive, offering various sizes and bristle types for every nook and cranny of your vehicle. Whether you need to clean the wheels, engine bay, or delicate interior surfaces, this set has you covered. The ergonomic design makes it comfortable for long detailing sessions, ensuring your hands don't get tired while giving your car that perfect finish. It's a must-have for anyone who wants a complete detailing solution. And finally, if you're someone who's looking for a complete wheel and tire cleaning kit, the Wontolf 16PCS wheel and tire brush kit is your go-to. This set comes with a variety of brushes in different shapes and sizes to tackle wheels, tires, and even the engine compartment. The kit ensures that your car's wheels get the level of detail they deserve, making it ideal for deep cleaning. With 16 pieces, you're getting everything you need to keep your wheels looking pristine. So there you have it. 5 of the best car detailing brush kits available on Amazon, all offering high-quality precision cleaning tools to make your car detailing easier and more effective. Whether you need brushes for the interior, wheels, or engine bay, these sets are all highly rated by automotive enthusiasts and professionals alike. You can find the links to each product in the description below, so check them out and give your car the detailing it deserves.